Hi, my name is Andy. I'm here to follow up on a video that I did back in 2011 related to cervical artificial disc replacement. Well, it's 15 years later, and since then I have been doing fantastic. No pain in the neck, no issues, no numbness in the fingers or hands, and no pain in the fingers or hands. It just has been a very good choice that I made back in 2011. Back, just a little background of it, back in 2011, after having all the types of pain and symptoms that I just mentioned, I did some research. I had an MRI and I had a CT scan, and I sent it to multiple doctors, not only throughout the country, but all the way to Germany. I actually had conversations with a number of doctors. Excuse me. And I ended up finding a doctor in Santa Monica, California. And his name was Dr. Hun Bae, Hyunbae. He was one of the pioneers of artificial disc replacement in the United States. He's done multiple, at the time, he had done multiple studies and was in the middle of multiple studies. And the FDA had approved a single level artificial disc replacement. However, 15 years later now, you could get a multi-level, two-level artificial disc replacement. But anyhow, so I went out to Santa Monica. I met Dr. Bae, and while I was in his office, the door was open, and a lady had come in to the outer office, and she had a big fruit and wine basket. And Dr. Bae met with her, and she said to Dr. Bae, "Listen, I'm a runner. I was a runner all my life, and because of the issues and symptoms that I've been having, I couldn't run anymore. And once you did the surgery, Dr. Bae, you gave me my life back." Well, when I heard that, I said, he's doing my surgery. Well, anyhow, it's all about finding the right doctor. Now in 2026, there's a number of doctors throughout the country that actually conduct artificial disc replacement surgery in the neck, and some actually do it in the lumbar area as well. One of the number one states in the country that does a lot of artificial disc replacement is the state of Texas. So they have multiple doctors down there. But you could find a doctor in most states throughout the country. If I were to find a doctor myself, I wouldn't go anywhere but Dr. Bae, because he is fantastic. He's a fantastic doctor. He's a fantastic person. And over the years, he and I have become friends. Now, mind you, I have had some other issues throughout the years, but as far as the neck goes and the artificial disc replacement, it has been a great choice and no issues ever since 2011. And hopefully it's going to stay that way the rest of my life. But in regards to that, if you are looking to have artificial disc replacement or any kind of cervical neck surgery, definitely do your research. Find the right doctor and make sure that you're comfortable. But keep in mind, find a doctor that does a lot of artificial disc replacement. Don't find a guy who's brand new and just starting doing it. Find a guy that does a lot. But most importantly, you got to be comfortable with the doctor. So if you have any questions, please feel free. I'm always willing to speak to other people and try to help them as much as I can. But overall, this has been a great experience, and I look forward to talking to some people and maybe doing some more videos. Thank you.